फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे ईटीएफ एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड is a type of investment which is a collection of equity follow any index or any industry stock. In this, basically, they invest in the company of the index, such as the Nifty 50. If any ETF copy Nifty 50, they will invest in a 50 companies of the Nifty 50 according to the industry contribution in the index, and then they divide all the investment into units which trade in a market as a ETF. In simple word, ETF is a basket of a security that trade on exchange just like a stock does. ETF share price fluctuate all day as a ETF is bought and sold in the market. This is a different from mutual fund which only trade once a day when market close. ETF contain all type of investment including stock, commodity or bond. Some of the ETFs follow the US holding while other are the international holdings. ETF offer low expense ratio and fewer brokerage commission than buying a stock individually. It is called a exchange traded fund because it trade on exchange just like a stock. Its price gets changed throughout the day, which trade on the exchange and bought and sold by the individuals. An ETF is a type of a fund that hold the multiple underlying asset rather than only one like a stock does. They are best for the diversification. It can be easily bought and sold on the exchange as compared to the mutual fund. Now we will talk about the types of ETF. Basically there are two type of ETF: passive ETF and active ETF. Active ETF, which are actively managed by the manager of the ETF. In this, they make a portfolio of the different industries such as pharmaceutical industries, commodity, FMCG industry, banking industry, cement industry. In this, they pick one stock from all the industry and make a portfolio. This is a actively managed ETF fund. Passively managed ETF fund. Basically, in this, manager try to copy any particular index such as a Nifty 50. In this, they don't have to manage very aggressively. They only follow the same index and according to which their expenses are less. In another word, passive ETFs aim to replicate the performance of a broader index, either the diversified index such as the Nifty 50 and S&P 500 of US. Example of a actively managed ETF are bond ETF. Basically, they are the collection of the bonds which are issued by the government and divided into a units which trade on a exchange as a ETF. Stock ETF. They are the collection of a different equities and divided into units. They are known as a stock ETF. Industry ETF, basically they follow a particular industry as a ETF such as a cement industry or a pharmaceutical industry. Commodity, in this they make a portfolio of a commodity such as a crude oil and bullions market as a ETF. Currency ETF, in this they make a portfolio of the different currencies such as a dollar, rupees, Canadian dollar, etc., which trade on a exchange as a ETF. ETF are much better than the mutual fund. ETF have a more tax benefit as compared to the mutual fund. Now we will talk about the pros and cons of the ETF. It is a collection of many stock across the various industries. It have a low expense ratio and fewer brokerage commission. It has a lower risk as compared to the stock because it provides diversification among the different industries. Mostly ETF focus on the aggressively growing industries in recent such as pharmaceutical industries. Now we will talk about the cons of the ETF. In actively managed ETF, the fees of management is high. Single industry focus ETF have a limitation in diversification. Low dividend. In this, there is low dividend as compared to the individual stock. So friends, do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos, and next we will learn about how to analyze ETF. So be happy, be learning.